Brix AI is one of the most talked about new AI tools on the market, and today I'm diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this software before you make the decision to use it. Whether you're completely new to Brix AI or you've been hearing all the buzz, stay tuned as I break it all down and give you a look at what's really behind its hype. Plus, I'll be sharing a free trial link at the end so you can test this out for yourself. First, let's talk about the core of Brix AI. It's built to streamline and automate tasks that would normally take hours of manual work. The AI features are designed with one main goal in mind: making your workflow faster, smarter, and more efficient. It's not just about saving time, it's about boosting your productivity and making sure that your business or personal projects stay on track without requiring constant human intervention. One of the most impressive things about Brix AI is how intuitive the interface is. For a software that packs so many features, you'd expect a steep learning curve. But that's not the case here. Brix AI does a fantastic job of making its complex capabilities accessible. You can hit the ground running even if you're not particularly tech savvy. When it comes to features, Brix AI has some standout ones that you need to know. It offers an advanced automation system that allows you to handle a variety of tasks without lifting a finger. Whether it's content creation, data processing, or customer interaction, this software can handle it all, using AI-powered systems to analyze and execute tasks with accuracy and speed. The second thing to keep in mind is the AI's adaptability. Brix AI is designed to learn and grow with you. It continuously improves its algorithms as it collects more data, which means that over time, it becomes even more efficient and accurate at the task you've set for it. This is a big advantage over other software that may start strong but don't evolve with your needs. Another key feature that sets Brix AI apart is its customizability. Whether you're working in e-commerce, marketing, or even content creation, you can fine-tune the settings to tailor the AI's responses and actions to suit your specific needs. This level of personalization is what makes Brix AI a game changer in the world of automation. Brix AI also boasts seamless integration with popular platforms. If you're already using tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, or other CRM platforms, you'll appreciate how well Brix AI works with them. It can connect and sync effortlessly, making sure that all of your data and operations are aligned and up to date across the board. Now, let's talk about pricing. Brix AI offers an attractive pricing structure, especially considering the power and functionality it brings to the table. The best part, you can try it completely free. Yes, there's no need to commit to anything until you're sure it's the right fit for your needs. That free trial link is in the description below, so you can start using Brix AI right now. One of the most underrated aspects of Brix AI is its support and community. If you ever run into issues or need advice, there's a thriving user community and a responsive support team that's there to help you out. Whether it's through guides, tutorials, or direct assistance, Brix AI ensures you have the resources to make the most of its capabilities. Now, here's the real kicker. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of my recommended AI software. And Brix AI is at the top for anyone serious about automating their business processes efficiently and cost-effectively. It's an all-in-one solution for both individuals and businesses that need AI to handle the heavy lifting. If you're curious about Brix AI or just want to see if it can really do all it claims, don't forget to check out the link below to try it for free. Trust me, after trying countless other tools, I'm confident you'll find Brix AI stands out from the pack. For a full list of my top AI software picks and more insights into how these tools can help transform your workflow, make sure to check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.